Hello everyone, I am Dr. Karthiga from the Research Center of Home Science, Fatima College, Madurai. Today we are going to see the topic factors affecting food choices. So before entering into the topic, food is more than just sustenance. It reflects culture, preferences, health considerations and social influences. Every individual's decision about what to eat is shaped by a complex interplay of factors ranging from personal habits to external pressures. So, understanding all these factors is essential for nutritionists, marketers, and policymakers seeking to promote healthier eating habits, address food insecurity, or cater to diverse consumer needs. So today we are going to see what are all the factors that affects the food choices. So the food choices are influenced by several factors. Whatever we eat or drink, it depends upon the individual choices. So there are so many factors like age, nutritional needs, time of the day, knowledge, money, likes and dislike of a person, environment, special occasions, then allergy or any intolerance, then food provenance. So let us see one by one. First, age and nutritional needs. The need and selection of different foods are based on individuals' age. Throughout life, we all need different amount of energy and nutrients. So we all know starting from infants till old age, different amount of nutrients are required for different age groups. So the nutrients what we are taking, it depends on the age and sex, whether they are male or female, because usually male require more amount of energy than females. Then what type of work they are doing, whether it is sedentary, moderate or heavy. So based on all these factors only the food choice should be done. So we make different food choices based on the amount of energy and nutrients we need. Next one is the time of the day. We choose different foods and drinks depending on the time of the day. For example, foods we choose for breakfast may not be chosen for our evening meal. So each and every time of the day we used to prefer different kinds of food. Then personal preferences. Yes, individuals or any person will have the personal preferences, whether it may be a positive influence or negative influence. So individuals have personal preferences about the food they like and dislike. Then coming to the person belongs to vegetarian or vegans or non-vegetarian. Some people choose not to eat certain foods. So the vegetarians usually don't eat meat, fish, seafood or any other animal byproduct. Whereas vegans, they doesn't eat meat, fish, seafood or other animal byproducts such as gelatin or dairy products, eggs or foods containing eggs such as mycoprotein and honey. Next, coming to the religion and culture. Around the world, people choose to eat or avoid certain foods depending upon their religion and culture. So, some beliefs have been followed for centuries and are well established as part of life. People may choose local ingredients and traditional dishes of their culture. So, this religion and culture also plays a major role in selection of food. Next on is the special occasions. On special occasions, we all know that we used to eat different varieties of food or different types of food with so much calories. So people may choose to eat different foods. This include any special occasions like birthdays or weddings or parties or religious occasions like Diwali, Christmas or Ramzan, whatever may be. So the special occasions also plays a major role or major factor which affects the food choices. Next one is the negative responses to a food. So a small number of people can have a negative response to food. Example, gluten, nuts, eggs, shellfish and milk. So this can alter the food choices of an individual. So example we can see for a negative impact lactose intolerance. So the persons or individuals who is having this lactose intolerance lack or have low levels of the enzyme lactase which is needed to digest the sugar lactose found in milk. So in that cases, cutting down or avoiding sources of lactose and replacing them with lactose-free alternatives is enough to control the symptoms of lactose intolerance. So these are all some of the food products which doesn't contain lactose. So these are all the lactose-free samples. Then coming to the celiac disease, this also have a negative impact on the food choice. So celiac disease is an uncommon digestive condition where a person has an adverse reaction to gluten. It is an autoimmune disorder that's triggered when a person consumes gluten containing foods. So there is no cure for the celiac disease, but switching to a gluten-free diet should help to control symptoms and prevent the long-term consequences of the disease. So these are some of the products which is gluten-free products, right? Considered as gluten-free. So if the persons are have taken all these products, then there will not be any problem. They should not avoid all those gluten-free products because this won't cause any harm to their health. See, these are all the gluten-free products. And some other health reasons. Some people may choose or avoid certain foods due to other health reasons. Example, if the person want to lose their weight, or if the person want to gain the weight, or if they are having cholesterol, so if they have to lower their cholesterol level, definitely they have to choose the foods. So information present in the labels on food often help people to make these food choices. For example, people trying to lose their weight may look at the energy or calories on the food label. Based on that, they can select their own food choices. Next one is the money and the affordability. So the amount of money available will affect the food choices we make. If people have less money, they may choose to buy more basic or essential food items. If people have more money, they may choose to buy more costly food items. Coming to the conclusion, the factors affecting food choices are multifaceted and interrelated, encompassing all the cultural, social, economical, psychological, and environmental influences. Individual preferences and dietary needs play a crucial role, while societal norms and advertising can significantly shape the perceptions of food. Additionally, economic considerations such as income and food availability often dictate what individuals can access. Understanding all these factors is essential for promoting healthier eating habits and addressing issues like food insecurity and dietary related health concerns. Hope you all understood this topic very well. Thank you. Thank you all for your patience listening.